It's evolving entirely new wings, of hyper-efficient carbon composite fan blades.
The aviation industry has always been a battleground for innovation, competition, and technological advancement. In this ever-evolving landscape, Boeing, one of the world's most prominent aircraft manufacturers, has once again taken center stage with the launch of its latest marvel, the Boeing 777X. As Boeing's CEO Dave Calhoun unveiled this groundbreaking aircraft, the aviation world held its breath in anticipation of what promises to be a game-changer not only for Boeing, but also for the entire aviation industry. Before delving into the details of the Boeing 777X, it's important to acknowledge Boeing's storied history in the aviation industry. Boeing has been at the forefront of aerospace innovation since its inception in 1916. Over the decades, they've produced iconic aircraft like the Boeing 707, 747, 787, and many more, solidifying their position as a leader in commercial aviation. However, competition in the aerospace sector is fierce, with Airbus emerging as a formidable rival to Boeing. The Airbus A380, for instance, posed a substantial challenge to Boeing's dominance in the long-haul aircraft market. In response, Boeing needed to develop a game-changing aircraft that would not only meet the demands of airlines but also surpass its competitors. The Boeing 777X represents a new chapter in Boeing's legacy, and it has been hailed as the world's largest and most efficient twin-engine jet. The X in the aircraft's name stands for extra, underscoring its enhanced capabilities and innovative design. Dave Calhoun, Boeing's CEO, unveiled this magnificent aircraft, highlighting its exceptional features that are set to reshape the future of long-haul travel. Boeing's decision to develop the 777X was driven by a combination of factors. Firstly, airlines demanded an aircraft that could offer more capacity, efficiency, and range. Secondly, environmental concerns and regulations were pushing the industry towards more eco-friendly and fuel-efficient options. Lastly, competition from Airbus in the long-haul sector necessitated Boeing's response. In response to these challenges, Boeing designed the 777X to be a true game-changer, setting new standards in terms of passenger comfort, fuel efficiency, and technological innovation. One of the most striking features of the Boeing 777X is its innovative design, which incorporates cutting-edge materials and technologies to achieve unprecedented levels of fuel efficiency. This is crucial not only for airlines looking to reduce operational costs, but also for addressing environmental concerns. The 777X's wings are a marvel of engineering. They are the largest wings ever designed for a commercial aircraft, with a wingspan of over 235 feet, for the 777-9 model. These wings are made from advanced lightweight material, including carbon fiber composite, which reduce weight and increase strength. Additionally, the wings feature folding wingtips, a first in commercial aviation, allowing the aircraft to fit into existing airport gates while still benefiting from the extended span during flight. This design innovation is a testament to Boeing's commitment to practicality and efficiency. The use of advanced materials and aerodynamic improvements also contributes significantly to the 777X's fuel efficiency. It boasts a 12% reduction in fuel consumption compared to its closest competitors, such as the Airbus A350. This is a remarkable achievement, as airlines are increasingly looking for more eco-friendly options to meet sustainability goals and reduce their carbon footprint. The Boeing 777X is not only about engineering marvels, but also passenger experience. Airlines understand that passenger satisfaction is a key driver of repeat business, and Boeing has taken this to heart when designing the 777X's cabin. The cabin of the 777X offers passengers a spacious and comfortable environment, with wider seats, larger windows, and enhanced cabin altitude and humidity control. These features are aimed at reducing passenger fatigue during long-haul flights and ensuring a more pleasant journey. Moreover, the cabin design is highly customizable, allowing airlines to tailor the interior to their specific brand and customer preference. Airlines can choose from a range of cabin configurations, including first-class suites, business-class pods, and various economy seating options. This flexibility is a testament to Boeing's commitment to providing airlines with the tools they need to create a unique and memorable in-flight experience. In addition to its fuel-efficient design and passenger-focused features, features, the Boeing 777X is equipped with state-of-the-art technology that enhances both safety and operational efficiency. The 777X is the first commercial aircraft to feature touchless faucets and toilets in the lavatory, reducing the risk of germ transmission, a particularly relevant feature in the post-COVID-19 world. Additionally, the aircraft is equipped with cutting-edge avionics, including advanced weather radar systems and navigation aids, to ensure safe and reliable operations, even in challenging conditions. The cockpit of the 777X has been designed with the latest in-flight technology, including large touchscreen displays and improved connectivity options. This allows for better communication between the flight crew and air traffic control, leading to more efficient flight planning and navigation. The aviation industry is fiercely competitive, with Airbus as Boeing's primary rival. Airbus, based in Toulouse, France, has been a formidable competitor, particularly in the long-haul market, with its Airbus A350 and A380 models. The Airbus A350, introduced in 2013, was Airbus's response to Boeing's 787 Dreamliner. It offered airlines a fuel-efficient, long-haul option with enhanced passenger comfort. The A350 has been well received by airlines and passengers alike, and it presented a strong challenge to Boeing's dominance in the market. On the other hand, the Airbus A380, which first took flight in 2005, aimed to redefine long-haul travel with its spacious double-deck design. While it was a marvel of engineering and could carry a large number of passengers, it faced challenges in terms of airport infrastructure and operational costs. Nevertheless, it put pressure on Boeing to come up with a competitive response. Boeing's answer to these challenges was the 777X, and it seems to be well positioned to compete effectively in the long-haul market. With its superior fuel efficiency, passenger comfort features, and innovative design, the 777X is poised to regain Boeing's competitive edge. The Boeing 777X represents a significant leap forward in the world of long-haul travel. Its combination of technological innovation, fuel efficiency, and passenger comfort sets a new standard for the industry. The aviation industry is also evolving in response to environmental concerns and sustainability goals. Airlines are under increasing pressure to reduce their carbon emissions, and the 777X's improved fuel efficiency aligns with these objectives. Boeing's commitment to eco-friendly aviation is evident in its development of the 777X, and this is likely to resonate with airlines seeking to reduce their environmental footprint. Furthermore, the Boeing 777X is well suited to meet the evolving demands of global air travel. As passenger numbers continue to grow, airlines require aircraft that can accommodate increasing capacity while maintaining operational efficiency. The 777X's spacious cabin and customizable interior configurations make it an ideal choice for airlines looking to adapt to changing market dynamics. The Boeing 777X's extended range opens up new possibilities for airlines, allowing them to expand their route networks and connect more cities across the globe. This is particularly appealing for airlines seeking to tap into emerging markets and offer passengers a wider range of travel options. Long-haul travel has always been associated with larger, wide-body aircraft, and the 777X continues this tradition while pushing the boundaries of what is possible. With its extended range, it can connect cities that were previously considered out of reach for direct flights, reducing travel times and making long-haul journeys more convenient for passengers. Boeing CEO Dave Calhoun's revelation of the Boeing 777X marks a significant milestone in the aviation industry. This innovative aircraft promises to reshape the future of long-haul travel with its unparalleled combination of fuel efficiency, passenger comfort, and technological advancements. In a competitive landscape where rivals like Airbus have been pushing the boundaries of aviation, Boeing's response with the 777X reaffirms its commitment to leading the industry. The battle for supremacy in the skies continues, and Boeing's latest offering is poised to make a lasting impact. As the aviation industry navigates the challenges of environmental sustainability, evolving passenger preferences, and economic pressures, the Boeing 777X stands as a beacon of progress. With its groundbreaking features and engineering marvels, it promises to set new standards and redefine the future of long-haul travel, proving that innovation and ambition know no bounds in the world of aviation. Thank you for sticking with me all the way to the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure the notification bell is turned on so you don't miss a video.